Hi friends, this is a gingerbread count. And on here we have 1, 2 spaces, 3 spaces, 4 spaces, and 5 spaces. And here's your gingerbread. You're going to cut these out on the lines or have an adult help you, and you're going to put them in this spot. Have fun with that. Then there is a gingerbread roll game. You're going to need 2 dice because all the numbers are mixed up. So you're going to take your dice and roll them. Let's see what we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you're going to look for number 8 and you can color it. If you want to do this again, many times to play this game, you don't have to cover it. You can take pom-poms or different things you have at home like buttons, anything, and just cover it up the space. And when you finish the whole thing, the game is over and then you can reset it by just moving it off. Have fun with it, friends. Bye.